Hey, have you ever considered starting a business in Dubai? I haven't, but I'm curious. What are the benefits of starting a business there? Well, for starters, you can open a company in Dubai from India within 1 day. Plus, you can earn money in a foreign country with high margins. That sounds promising. What about taxes? Dubai has the lowest corporate tax of 9% in the world and zero income tax on personal income. Plus, it's a safe place to stay with your family and do business. That's impressive. But is it easy to set up a business there? Yes, it is. Dubai has an easy business setup and fast process. Plus, you can cover the entire Middle East, Africa, and European market by doing business from Dubai. That's amazing. How can Miva Real Estate help? Miva Real Estate can help with any queries you have about Dubai property. They are hosting the Dubai Property Expo on 16th and 17th March this Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at IBIS New Delhi Aerocity. For more information, you can call their number 9599223040.